What up, YouTube? This is your president, the presidential tourist, back with another drink review taste test video. And I finally found it. The Oreo Coca Cola. I know some people have been finding this for like 2 or 3 weeks or more. And I finally found it today. I found the Coke flavored Oreos a few days ago, and I already reviewed it on this channel. I finally found the Oreo Coca-Cola, 0 sugar. I'm part of their creations line, and I'm very excited. So excited. I'm going to try this right now. I found this at a Wawa gas station. Ooh. Yeah, it smells just like Oreos and Coke. Ooh. The best of both worlds. Oh. That tastes just like liquid Oreo cookies. The Oreo flavor, I think, is more dominant, though. You taste the Coke, but Oreo is more dominant. You know, Oreos, they have that chocolatey flavor to it, but it has a distinct taste of Oreo, where it's not like a general chocolate flavor. I think Oreo is kind of a mixture of the chocolate, like cookie, and then the cream inside, which this is what it tastes like, but it's not like a cream soda or nothing, I don't believe. Well, maybe it does in a little bit. Maybe it does have a little bit of almost like a cream soda flavor to it, but this is really good. I've had chocolate flavored sodas before. They're very different from this. Wow, yeah. That tastes just like liquid Oreo cookies. And I have to say, I think it's very good. So unique. I would never have thought about this. Fizzy cookie flavored is how they describe it in the label. It's so unique. I love it. It's so cool. You know, at one time, you would hardly ever see any new flavors of pop. It was mostly the same stuff once in a great while. Then maybe the last 10 years, maybe a little less, there's always new flavors coming out. New flavors of Coke, new flavors with Pepsi, Mountain Dew especially. And I love it. Variety just makes life more interesting. And I'm so happy that since I'm a soda pop enthusiast, that these different pop companies come out with this new stuff. New Pepsis, new Coke, new Mountain Dew, new Fantas, etc. And yeah, makes life a little bit more interesting when you have the spice of variety. And this is definitely one. Very interesting. I would have never thought to do this combination. Like I said, I've had chocolate flavored pops before, but this has that distinct Oreo cookie flavor. And if you had Oreos, you know what I'm talking about. And I really like this. As far as I know, it's just in 0 sugar. I didn't see any regular, and I don't think they made a regular version of this. But if we do, I'll pick it up and see. Alright, any comments, questions, let me know. I don't know how long they're going to have this, but this is part of the creations line. It's only going to be a temporary flavor, so if you want to try this, get it. If you see this video 6 months, a year from now, I very much doubt you're going to be able to find this unless you buy an expired bottle. But yeah, definitely try it if you want to sooner rather than later. Alright, any comments, questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye.